In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in VLC Media Player step by step. This is a super helpful tip if VLC opened in a language you don't understand, or if you simply prefer using it in a different language for easier navigation. VLC is one of the most popular media players in the world, and thankfully, changing the interface language only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process slowly so you can follow along, even if you're a beginner. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking the VLC icon on your desktop, searching for VLC in the Start menu on Windows, or opening it from your Applications folder on Mac. Once VLC is open, make sure you're on the main interface. You don't need to play a video for this, but it's totally fine if something is already open. Next, look at the top menu bar of VLC. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open the VLC Settings window, where you can customize how the player looks and behaves. If your VLC is currently in a different language, the position of the menu items will still be the same, so tools will always be in the same spot on the top menu. Once the Preferences window opens, make sure the Interface tab is selected. By default, VLC usually opens directly to this tab, so in most cases you won't need to change anything here. The Interface section controls how VLC looks, including the language used across menus, settings, and options. Now, look for the Language section inside the Interface settings. You'll see a drop-down menu that is often set to Auto. Auto means VLC automatically selects a language based on your system settings. Click on that drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use in VLC. There are many options available, so take your time and make sure you choose the correct one. After selecting your preferred language, move to the bottom of the Preferences window and click the Save button. This step is very important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. Once you click Save, the Preferences window will close. Now for the final step. In order for the language change to fully take effect, you need to restart VLC Media Player. Close VLC completely, then open it again the same way you did earlier. When VLC reopens, you should now see the entire interface displayed in the language you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in VLC Media Player. This works the same way on most versions of VLC, and it's a quick fix if your settings ever get changed by accident. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.